Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a frustrating issue in the first Descendant not receiving caliber or currencies after purchase. Let's dive into the fixes. The first Descendant's premium currency caliber is essential for buying in-game items like the battle pass and skin. However, some players are experiencing issues where their purchased caliber isn't show up, and this can be due to server overloaded and technical glitches. First, trying to refreshing you get the game mailbox load into the Albon hub. Locate the mailbox icon on your minimap and interact with it. Check if any new items, including the purchased caliber, have been delivered. If that doesn't work, completely exit the game, wait for about a minute, and then relaunch it. This can help to resolve any temporary server issues. Next, the game developer is aware of the issue and isn't working on a fix about mapping multiple purchases at once, and this can complicate the problem. Check the first Descendant server status to see if there are any ongoing issues. If none of the above steps work, consider contacting Nexon support for the further assistance. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully these steps help you to resolve the caliber delivery issue in the first Descendant. Don't forget to like and comments and subscribe for more tech related problem solving content.